Juniper Overland truck. These guys have installed this Alucab table underneath the cab over bed. So this is going to slide out. It's a pin. And just slides right out here. Oh. And you can set up your table. So that's super cool. I think it's not costing too much to install, probably 100,000 bucks, probably 400 for the table, a couple $100 for the install, something like that. So not overly expensive, but super convenient table solution for an outdoor table. I will say the Olympic has a table that comes out as well, but this is awesome for all the models. So if you haven't seen one of these before, I recommend you check it out with Juniper Overland. And then they also have an outdoor shower solution, washroom solution. So this is an Alucab shower. There's lots of different shower rooms and things like that, but they have one here from Alucab. So you go in here, use this as a toilet, use this as a shower. You know, it's a nice little spot to hide away. There's tons of outdoor shower solutions. There's Rinse Kit, there's Julka, there's Kakuta, all these different brands of shower kits. So really cool to see. One thing that's kind of funny here is they have their jack flipped upside down to show their flag, which is kind of awesome. Scout does sell the hammock brack. Well, it's not from Scout, it's from one of the guys that works with us. He sells like a hammock brack that's really cool for this. Just an idea there. These guys have some really dialed in truck work on all of their trucks. So on this bad boy, they've went with the Carly pin top suspension, and then they have King shocks on this thing, E-range tires, and a 1/2-inch rubber mat. So when it comes to your truck and camper, you always want to have E-range tires are better, a 1/2-inch rubber mat, and some kind of airbags or timbrins on this thing. I believe they have timbrins for towing as well with their Carly pin top suspension. But beef up the truck, spend the money on the truck, make it handle the camper nicely. These guys do that on all of their trucks, so that's great to see. But even it just keeps getting better, so that's just the start. So now let's go to the other side here. They have my favorite set of steps in the industry. That's these little giant steps. These things are so sturdy. I'm a chubby guy. Nice and easy to go in and out of the camper, so I love the little giant steps. This rack on the back. So a lot of people ask, hey, how do I rack? Where do I put my bikes? Where do I store my bikes? Okay. Well, this has a spare tire on it, but you can also get the same kind of setup for your bikes. It swings it out on the back. It's pinned in right now, so I'm not going to swing it, but you can also see here, they installed a backup camera. So they're taking the tailgate off. I know these guys, Juniper Overland, are in Colorado, and the Colorado folk don't like to take their tailgate off for some reason, but why not? Look how this thing's set up. You can get a backup camera installed. You can get an extra hitch for your bikes, your spare tire. You don't need the tailgate on the truck to handle a Scout camper. So super cool to see that. I'm really pumped this is here to show you guys. But also this camper here, this is an Olympic. So I'm actually picking up one of these for myself, for my family next month. Love the Olympic. There's something in this camper that most of you have never seen before. They went with a different Propex propane heater. So you can see the exhaust right here for it. But let's go inside here. There's a few really cool things to show you. These guys use lots of the National Luna equipment. So they have a National Luna cooler, but they have a Propex heater. So you can see it's a 12,000 BTU heater, little dial here. This Propex heater is tons of heat. I mean, the diesel heater I think is about 6,000 BTU. The Newport Dickinson heater was about 4,500 BTU. This thing's 12,000 BTU. Like, there's no way you're going to be cold in this camper with that much heat. This thing, I'd say that's like way overkill, but it's awesome. When we get to the outside, I'll show you how tidy and neat that fits in the compartment outdoors, but these guys at Juniper can do it all. So if you need heat or anything, they got you covered. So National Luna also builds these power packs here. So it's got an input here. They're just using an AGM battery in this one. Generally, the Juniper crew likes to go with the lithium setups, but this one's just not fully done yet. And they also have a little toilet. I'm not too sure on the exact info of this toilet, but look how well this thing fits right in this little cubby. So you got a toilet solution, different power solutions. You got a National Luna. I believe this one's the 60 liter. In my own Olympic camper, I'm going with the 40 that goes this way. And then I'll have extra seating right here. So lots of things you guys can do. But let's go aside and look at that Propex heater. And there's so much more. This is just the start because we're on the Olympic and we have the owner of a Tuktut here. And I'm going to show you some stuff on that Tuktut because this guy's done it up amazing. So in this compartment right here, nice latches on the Scouts. We have this Propex heater. This fits the compartment nicely, runs off the propane that comes from Scout, and fits in there just perfect. Okay, now this one I absolutely love. You need to wait till we get inside this camper to show you the full details. But here we have the AT Overland propane bracket, 10-pound tank for this Tuktut. So now you have your propane storage right there. And you're probably wondering what that box is. Well, that's a Zargus box. That's going to be your hot water solution. Right now it has a shower kit inside. I'm not tall enough to reach that without the steps. So shower kit inside there. But you're probably wondering what this drain here is for. And nobody that I know of has seen this because the first time I've seen this. But check out what they've done in here. We have a 12-gallon water tank with the exterior fill that you saw in the back of the camper. It has the Dometic faucet by the sink, so you have running water inside this camper, this Tuktut. But it just keeps getting better because we're going to go inside this camper, and I'm going to show you something else. Look at this bumper step. So if you're looking for bumper step ideas, there you go. This Tuktut has what all the Scouts may have shortly. So this bed extension slides all the way out, and now you have a full queen size bed in this camper. So this will go forward, and then the cushions fit perfectly here. I could show you, but all 4 cushions fit here. Full size queen bed in a Tuktut. That's unreal. So this kind of setup might be something that's coming from Scout on all the models, maybe. Just a little teaser there in 2025. But this is a Tuktut. So again, I have tons of space in here. I have running water at the sink. This one here has a lithium battery. It's covered up. You got your Dakota lithium right there covered up. And you have your Truma cooler right there. But again, this thing's powered with the National Luna setup. They got, the DC25 power pack there. So again, different setups from what Scout is. We're using the Gold Zero from Scout. But there's tons of other solutions. So I was at Equipped One a couple weeks ago, did some videos. But now I'm at Juniper Overland's display at the Expo, and I'm showing you how people are actually installing these things, making them work. But let's go back outside because you guys need to see how well this Tuktut sits on this Gladiator. So I'm just going to start here again for 1 sec. No, we're good. We'll go to the other side. So you can see this Tuktut just fits this Gladiator perfect. This thing doesn't squat at all. This owner has, custom fenders here that are raised up for clearance, but just different suspension on this thing. It's got Fox shocks and a few other things, but there's no squat. He says this thing handles just like his Alucab did. You can just see how well this thing fits. So the point here is that Juniper Overland has answers for almost everything. So if you're looking for solutions for your truck, for your camper, your hot water solutions, your heater, your water storage, if you want a propane heater, if you want a shower outside, if you want hot water, any of the things you need, the boys at Juniper Overland can help you out with. Thanks so much for watching. We'll talk soon.